Totoo yung a mother will do anything and everything for her children or for her child. Merong shadow dito ng lipunan natin na may kinalaman sa injustice and at the same time abused. Makikita dito sa pelikulang ito. Sobrang nakatutok ako doon sa kwento ni Eva. Talagang na-feel ko kung gano'n niya kamahal si Lily. Tsaka I feel like any family member, kung sobrang mahal mo talaga yung tao, like, you would really go above and beyond just to do anything for that person. Lahat talaga ng mga kasamaang gagawin natin sa mundong to, sisingilin talaga tayo nun eventually. So, nakakatakot lang to know that, you know, that eventually that will happen if ever we do something really bad.
Huwag niyo akong tularan. Huwag niyo pong tularan. Di, ang kasamaan talaga may bawi sa dulo talaga. But yeah, masaya ako kung makasama ngayon dito sa bila ng mga actress na nasa tabi ko. Maraming salamat. Dito ka sumisilip, tulog ka lang, tulog ka lang. December 25 po, sana po panoorin po ninyong Uninvited. Sobrang excited po kaming makita nyo to. This is directed by Dan Villegas. Yes. December 25, Uninvited. Panoorin nyo po. Salamat po, maraming salamat.
December 25 po, please do watch Uninvited. We are inviting you to watch it under Mentor Productions and Project 8, distributed by Warner Brothers. It's something different we are offering you that will thrill your heart on Christmas Day. Sana ho panoorin nyo Uninvited. We're inviting you.